going on, y'all? Chris with pennies1000s.com here. I just want to show you another video on this FetchRewards app. It's going to be a quick video. I just want to give you a quick tutorial on basically how you can make money with this app. Just taking pictures of receipts. You're going to be able to cash out in different options. They have lots of different brands that they're affiliated with, and you get points for those different brands that you purchase. All right, so when you're going grocery shopping, this is a really good app to use because you'll see here all the different options they have. You can kind of categorize the things you're buying. Just like baking goods, you get 10 points for every dollar that you spend. I'm just going to another one like frozen food. Like I said, lots of different brands. $10. 10 points for every dollar that you spend. You can categorize it. On the home page, they have things that you can buy straight out. And if you buy any of these products that they're showing here, you get that amount of points, which is really good because the cash out option started at a minimum of $5 on this app. So there's lots of different brands they're affiliated with. You can always find something on here. So if you're going grocery shopping, like I said, this is a really good app to choose just to kind of get some, money back in your pocket. All right. So when you're ready to cash out, they have lots of different options as well. They have different retail stores they're affiliated with. The minimum is $3, but, a lot of them are $5, $10, $25, however much you want to go. They have restaurants you can choose from. Like I said, different options on that. And a long list of, different cash out options. I really like that part. They have cash cards, a Visa gift card. They'll email this to you. So it's like a virtual Visa gift card that you can use for make purchases. Also with travel, the different airplanes, cruises, Airbnbs, all that kind of good stuff. So just a quick video just showing you that this app is, a good app to use when it comes to receipts, because for one, you'll get a minimum of 25 points for every receipt that you take a picture of. And then if you buy certain brands or certain products that are advertised, you get even more points. And your points can quickly add up with this app if you're just, taking pictures of every receipt and buying those certain brands. So if you want to sign up with it, I'll leave the link in the description. It is completely free to use. You can use it on your Android, your iPhone. Start making money with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.